5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This is About Space, America's return to space. With news and information on the U.S. manned space program is your host of About Space, David Denault.
I kind of think it should be easy to go on a spacecraft. like you should just be able to get on with no training and go.
Welcome to our program. He is a man from the future, Elon Musk, a name synonymous with SpaceX. He is a South African-born American entrepreneur and businessman who launched the first commercial spacecraft in 2012. His riches came in 2002 when Musk earned his first billion when PayPal was acquired by eBay. We'll hear from Mr. SpaceX, Elon Musk, next on About Space Today. Don't think of taxes and accounting as being a problem. I use Hometown Tax and Accounting Services in Cartersville, Georgia, and for all of your financial needs with years of valuable experience, they deal with estate, trust, tax planning services, and be sure to like us on Facebook, Hometown Tax and Accounting in Cartersville, Georgia. Are you ready to fly away on a dream vacation? For cruises and all-inclusive resort vacations, call D&D Cruise and Tours at 877-747-8631. That's 877-747-8631. And see us on Facebook, D&D Cruise and Tours, where your dreams become a reality. In just a few weeks from now, the first commercial American spacecrafts, the Dragon and the Starliner, will be manned with American astronauts. During one of his appearances at a university, Musk was asked about the differences between SpaceX and Boeing's version.
Well, Boeing's a fine company, of course. What we're trying to do with Dragon 2 is, or the new crew Dragon design, is be able to land propulsively with precision, which I think is kind of the next generation. Like if you consider the first generation was parachutes to a water landing, then arguably sort of wings and gear, landing legs, landing gear. Then like the sort of third generation is propulsive landing with precision. I mean, if you saw a movie about the future with aliens landing, how do they land? Like that. Okay, obviously. They don't like, I mean, it'd be kind of weird if the aliens landed in the ocean with parachutes and like, okay, nothing to fear. But I think the future has to be precise propulsive landing, because that's what you need to go to the moon or to Mars or anywhere else in the solar system, and that's the thing we should be focusing on.
Musk went on to explain the real purposes behind his spacecraft.
Really, what we should be transporting are scientists and engineers. It's not pilots, really. It's like Dragon doesn't need pilots. Like it obviously goes there with just cargo. We just sent up 40 mice. They were not piloting the craft. So it's a means of transporting people to like the sort of Earth-Moon orbit region in order to do science, basically, and potentially to the moon to do some exploration there. But I kind of think it should be easy to go on a spacecraft. You should just be able to get on with no training and go.
A man from the future, Elon Musk. Thank you for joining me as we explore America's return to space. For launch dates and more, see us on Facebook. I'm David Denault, and this has been About Space Today.